Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to calibrate your laptop battery for an accurate battery life. So if you notice your battery estimate seems to be degrading over time and it's not very accurate, this tutorial is going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve that without too much of a hassle here. So we're going to go ahead and jump into it and start by opening up the Start menu. Just left click on the Start button one time. Type in Device Manager. Best match should go back with Device Manager right above Control Panel. If you go ahead and left click on that, you want to expand the battery section, so either double click on it or left click on the little arrow next to it to expand the drop down. And now there should be something in here that says whatever your battery name is, so there should be one item in here. You want to go ahead and right click on it and then uninstall the device. It's going to say warning, you're about to uninstall this device from your computer. Go ahead and select uninstall. Restart your computer, make sure batteries are hooked up as it normally is. It should automatically be in your computer, or if you popped it out, pop it back in if it's an older style laptop. And then once you restart your computer, the battery should reappear here and it should have been calibrated. So pretty straightforward process. Do hope I was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.